Today we will learn about vegetables. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Capsicum. This is capsicum. Tomato. This is tomato. Beans. This is beans. Peas. This is peas. Onion. This is onion. Potato. This is potato. Chili. This is chili. Carrot. This is carrot. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Snow peas. This is snow peas. Turnip. This is turnip. Ladyfinger. This is ladyfinger. Ginger. This is ginger. Brinjal. This is brinjal. Lemon. This is lemon. Yam. This is yam. Mushroom. This is mushroom. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Kohlrabi. This is kohlrabi. Sweet potato. This is sweet potato. Garlic. This is garlic. Sugar snap peas. This is sugar snap peas. Shallot. This is shallot. Radish. This is radish. Parsnip. This is parsnip. Snake gourd. This is snake gourd. Ridge gourd. This is ridge gourd. Arum. This is arum. Mint leaves. This is mint leaves. Coriander. This is coriander. Curry leaves. This is curry leaves. Spinach. This is spinach. Lettuce. This is lettuce. Corn. This is corn. Bottle gourd. This is bottle gourd. Bitter gourd. This is bitter gourd. Beetroot. This is beetroot. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Lesson review. Cabbage. Capsicum. Tomato. Beans. Peas. Onion. Potato. Chili. Carrot. Cauliflower. Snow peas. Turnip. Ladyfinger. ginger, brinjal, lemon, yam, mushroom, cucumber, kohlrabi, sweet potato, garlic, sugar snap peas, shallot, radish, parsnip, snake gourd, ridge gourd, arum, mint leaves, coriander, curry leaves, spinach, lettuce, corn, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, beetroot, pumpkin, cabbage, capsicum, tomato, beans, peas, onion, potato, chili, carrot, cauliflower, snow peas, turnip, ladyfinger, ginger, brinjal,